Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make Adobe presets for Photoprint. So let's quickly open Adobe Photoshop. So I am using Photoshop CC. I think this is 2015 version, but it's like pretty new almost. Okay, so I'm going to create a new project. So Control N. Document type will be international paper because I am doing A4 sheet print. Okay, so this is the A4 sheet, actual A4 sheet, and in left side you can see a square shape. Here you can right click onto that, select a rectangle tool, and press shift and draw a rectangle shape or square shape. So this is the square shape, and in between you can see height and width of the shapes. So this is currently 6.8. No, 6.5 is almost okay. So this will be your actual size which you're gonna see on paper. Let's do the round as well. So this is around 7 inch. Okay, oh, I forgot to create a new layer. Just create a new layer and make a new shape, so it will be really easy for you guys to change the color. You can select here and press OK. Oh, this is how you do. Okay, for heart shape, there will be one heart shape right here. Yeah, this is it. So as usual, press shift to enlarge it. Oh, I always forget to create a new layer. Okay, it happens in the beginning. And I also want to change the color so that there will be no confusion. So pink will be better, I guess. Okay, and I will quickly unhide. So this will be our heart shape. So I will tell you how to use these presets. Okay, this is the way you can adjust the size of the shapes. Suppose if you are looking for, if customer asks, I want square shape photo print. Okay, and you can also write down the names, and this is the font I am using right now, script empty, bold regular. Okay, fine. Let's do a quick sample of it so that you will understand how you're gonna use these tools. So let's quickly unhide the other things. So I will show you the example in square shape. Let's open one picture that I am going to do a photo print. I have downloaded a couple of photos. Okay, let's choose this. Okay, so this is the easier way, but there is one lock bar. You can unlock it. Press this button. Quickly save this picture to your actual A4 sheet page. Okay, enlarge it by pressing shift and take this picture before your rectangle. Okay, just right click into it and create clipping mask so that photo will go behind it. Okay, this is my desired picture. To add text on it, you can type Merry Xmas. Okay, adjust the place where you want to make it. Okay, just for giving a shadow in stock, you can choose any color you would like to, but for now I love black color. Here you go. So this will be your actual square shape photo print. So here it is. For save, Ctrl S, and you can save in any format. Like for now I'm saving in JPEG file. Okay, save it as basic. So after done, you can just delete down the pictures. Okay, so use it according to it. So it is quite simple. Thank you. I hope you love it. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel.